Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain is comfybeer.co.uk legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end as I will share the way to get your money back. Well, we can see that the site sells different varieties of products related to bags, accessories, shoes, sportswear, menswear, etc. They also have different products as well. We can see that the prices of these products are heavily discounted and the images, so they are having some random products as well. Well, the site is having various products. So here at the bottom page they have mentioned that they will take PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc. as the mode of payment. Also here they have given their information like free shipping, 70% off, security, 24-hour support, 30-day guarantee, etc. Now let's check out their shipping policy. So here they have mentioned some of the details regarding the shipping policy, and they have also categorized their time. So it can take around 10 to 15 business days to deliver the order. Now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. Coming to the website age, the website was registered on 21st October 2019, which means the site is going to be around 1 year old, which is a good thing as old websites always have credibility. So now let's check out some other details like about us section. So here they have given their information regarding themselves like Comfy Beer and what they are, their vision, and they have also mentioned some other details as well. Although they have not mentioned anything regarding the owner's identity, which is not a very good thing. Also the information given here is not that much informative, which can prove their credibility. Although the information given here does not look to be way too much copied as well. So the prices of the products offered by the website are heavily discounted and the payment methods are also sufficient. So now let's move ahead to the contact us section. So here they have given a query form which you can fill and ask your queries about. Also here they have given their customer service hours of operation and frequently asked questions. We can find some other details like their contact service email ID, which matches with the website domain, which is a good thing. Although they have not given much information regarding the address, and as such we can see here. So now moving ahead to the social media presence, the site is having very low social media presence, although they are active on these icons, but they are not having much following or likes. So we cannot count on that point. So let's move ahead to the returns and refund policy. Here we can see that they have mentioned that they have 14 days of return policy, which is quite sufficient. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the website. So looking into the customer reviews, the site is having very bad customer reviews. The customer reviews are very much bad and people are mostly claiming that the site is a scam and they are not happy with the services of the website, etc. And most of the reviews are negative, which is again a negative point. So now let's move ahead to the website content quality. The website content quality looks mediocre. It is neither too bad, neither too good. We can see that they are having some contradicting information, but they have given enough information about themselves, etc. So guys, giving a final verdict, we currently do not recommend this website and ask you to share your reviews regarding the legitimacy of this website so that we can get a clear picture whether the site is actually legit or not. Till then, we do not recommend it. And if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.